A little focaccia sandwich, of course, with our delicious plant-based Wesson spread. Salty prosciutto. We've got creamy burrata. I mean, there's everything you could ever want in this thing. Am I trying the first bite or are you? Mmm. Okay, this is amazing. All right, this is smelling a little toasty. Look at that. We're gonna take this focaccia and not burn ourselves. We'll go straight down. Oh, this is so fluffy. This is where the magic happens. We're going to use our Wesson plant-based butter spread and we are gonna go to town. This is so creamy, perfectly spreadable, and it's completely plant-based. Now, this wouldn't be a proper sandwich if we didn't butter both sides. Go big or go home. We are not kidding around in my kitchen. Of course, our flaky salt. Fresh arugula for brightness. Now I'm taking a pear that I've cored and I'm gonna just slice it super, super thinly. Top this off with delicate ribbons of prosciutto di Parma. We want this to be filled to the brim with prosciutto. Add our burrata, the pièce de résistance. Oof. A little taste of Italy for your kitchen. Can't forget about the black pepper. I forgot to put the lemon juice. This is swimming in burrata. Crunchy and creamy and salty. Now that is a perfect consistency.